2024 Ferrari Purosangue. Starting at $402.050. Highs. Thundering V12 power, nicely balanced ride and handling, one of the most exclusive SUVs on sale today. Lows. Complex set of controls integrated into the steering wheel, funky rear door handle isn't that intuitive, one of the most expensive SUVs on sale today. Verdict. The Purosangue is the performance SUV that only Ferrari could build, and its performance capabilities speak for themselves. Overview. We never thought we'd see the day when a Ferrari SUV became a reality, but in the wake of many successful high-dollar, high-performance sport utes, the company has finally caved to unrelenting marketplace pressure and produced 2024 Purosangue. An SUV with Ferrari's prancing horse badge on the grille won't ruin the brand, though. After all, successful iterations of the concept have served sports car brands such as Porsche and Lamborghini quite well. It's not only ultra-performance utes like the Cayenne Turbo or the Urus that the Purosangue will have in its crosshairs, but also ultra-luxury models such as the Bentley Bentayga and the Rolls-Royce Cullinan. A thundering V12 engine is the only powertrain offered. Why would it need anything else? The engineers have also buttressed the Sangue's ride and handling with a trick-active suspension system to help it drive as a Ferrari should. Expect to need a hedge fund manager's salary to afford it, of course. Prices start just over $400,000 including the compulsory gas guzzler tax. What's new for 2024? The Purosangue is an all-new model for the Ferrari lineup as well as the Italian supercar maker's first SUV. Pricing and which one to buy. Purosangue. $402,050. A host of luxury and performance features come standard on the Purosangue, but Ferrari does have some options that buyers may want to consider. Massaging front seats might be a nice thing to have after a long day of cruising down the Monte Carlo coast, and sun seekers may be tempted by the available electrochromic glass roof. Either way, we'd suggest making liberal use of Ferrari's personalization options to create a Purosangue that's for you. Engine, transmission, and performance. To purists scoffing at an SUV wearing the famed prancing horse badge, we'll point to the naturally aspirated 6.5-liter V12 engine lurking under the Purosangue's hood. Nothing says Ferrari more than a screaming 715 HP 12-cylinder, and it even wears the brand's signature red-painted valve colors. The engine makes a hearty 528 pound-feet of torque, and we estimate that it should power the Purosangue to 60 miles per hour in just 3.2 seconds and onto a top speed of 193 miles per hour. We came away from our initial test drive quite impressed with the Purosangue's handling and performance, alleviating any remaining doubt we had that Ferrari's first SUV would be a dud. An adaptive suspension system is standard and uses an electric motor at each corner of the SUV to apply force to the dampers during cornering maneuvers to control body roll. As such, the Purosangue has no need for traditional anti-roll bars, and it can also hunker down during hard driving by reducing its ride height by 0.4 inches. At full chat, the Purosangue does its best impression of its sports car siblings, and it's one that's fairly convincing. Fuel economy and real-world MPG. Kiss your gas money goodbye. The V12 powered Purosangue is one of Ferrari's least fuel-efficient offerings. The EPA estimates it's good for only 12 mpg city and 16 mpg highway, but for context, both the Urus and the 12-cylinder Bentayga earn similar ratings of 12 mpg city, 17 mpg highway. When we get a chance, we'll take the Purosangue on our 75 miles per hour highway fuel economy route and update the story with its test results. For more information about the Purosangue's fuel economy, visit the EPA's website. Interior, comfort, and cargo. As the only current Ferrari to offer legitimate room for 4 riders, the Purosangue is outfitted with a set of slick rear-hinged coach-style, also called suicide, rear doors that are said to make it easier to access the back seat while preserving a 2-door appearance. The front and rear seats are individual buckets, meaning there's no bench in the back for an occasional 5th passenger, and both rows have a center console and a center console. Of course, the interior is swathed in Ferrari quality materials. To say that the cockpit is driver-oriented would be an understatement, as most of the car's controls are operated through the steering wheel. A big surprise in this era of tablet-style center stack screens is that there is no center-mounted infotainment touchscreen. A glass roof is optional, but if you don't care about seeing the sun while driving, sticking with the standard carbon fiber roof panel will save some weight. Infotainment and connectivity. While there's no centrally mounted infotainment display, there is a 10.2-inch digital gauge cluster and a separate 10.2-inch screen for the front passenger. Apple CarPlay and Android Auto are both standard, but an in-dash navigation system is not offered. Ferrari assumes most people would just use their phones for such a service. Safety and driver assistance features. The purosangue comes standard with several driver assistance features, including automated emergency braking, automatic high-beam headlamps, and adaptive cruise control. For more information about the purosangue's crash test results, visit the National Highway Traffic Safety Administration, NHTSA, and Insurance Institute for Highway Safety, IIHS, websites. Key safety features include standard automated emergency braking and blind spot monitoring, standard lane departure warning with lane keeping assist, standard adaptive cruise control, warranty and maintenance coverage. Ferrari offers limited and powertrain warranty coverage identical to that provided by Lamborghini. However, Ferrari won UPS its rival when it comes to complimentary scheduled maintenance. With Ferrari vehicles, you get 7 years of coverage. With Lamborghini vehicles, complimentary scheduled maintenance isn't offered. Limited warranty covers 3 years or unlimited miles. Powertrain warranty covers 3 years or unlimited miles. Complimentary scheduled maintenance covers 7 years or unlimited miles.
Shit to say, so I'ma do this every day. I'll be writing things until I'm fucking buried in my grave. 6 feet deep under, but my body won't decay. Cause my messages are timeless, so they'll put them on display. Oh yeah, I rap with a certainty, I have a sense of urgency. A message for eternity, for everyone internally. I had some people burning me, but now they fucking learn to see I ain't the one to fuck with, now they looking nervously. And I don't really care what you think of me, respectfully. You can kick rocks if you think you're fucking better, see. I will outwork you, turn you to an enemy. Hurt you so bad that you're gonna need some therapy. I got the motherfucking recipe. I've been cooking up hits, I'ma leave a legacy. You'll be looking small when you're standing right next to me. I'm 5'10", bitch, but I'm 10 feet next to me. I don't give a fuck what you say. Yeah, I'ma do shit my way. So you can go kick rocks, I'ma stack bricks up, build what I want to make. Cause I don't give a fuck what you say. Yeah, I'ma do shit my way. So you can go kick rocks, I'ma stack bricks up, build what I want to make. Yeah, I'ma do it my way. Coming out with a statement. You really changed, man, all your music and arrangement. You don't know shit, shut your mouth, you can save it. I'm the same dude that got his come up from the basement. 100 songs, 100 weeks, didn't change it. Experiments, development, intelligence, and patience. I'll do it all again, cause I never feel complacent. Let's keep the good vibes, positivity's contagious. I'm never looking back, cause I made a life that's passionate. A college graduate suppressing all his talents, yeah. He found a way to go and change, become an advocate. For taking control of your life, go out and battle. And you think you have a dream, then act on it, get after it. Get out your head and fucking capture it. You got one life to master it. Don't give up on your future, we all start losers. We're all late bloomers, gotta struggle through the sewer. I don't give a fuck what you say. Yeah, I'ma do shit my way. So you can go kick rocks, I'ma stack bricks up, build what I want to make. Cause I don't give a fuck what you say. Yeah, I'ma do shit my way. So you can go kick rocks, I'ma